Hi friends! Today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 13. Friends, I don't know about you, but when I am doing my work, sometimes I rush to get things done. Oh, I know. You never rush doing your work, do you? Oh, you do sometimes? Well, I know. It is a bad habit that sometimes we get into. Usually for me, it's because I'm so excited to show what I'm learning that I just end up scribbling all over the paper. Now, my other teachers, when I was younger, would be like, Kristen, you need to slow down and do your good work so everyone can see what is happening in your brain on the paper. And teachers are so right. Because if we are counting objects and we want to know everybody will know from us that 3 is what we counted, we need to make sure they can read our number 3, right? Well, it's perfect because our learning goal for today says, I can write numbers 0 to 3 to tell how many. That's exactly what we're going to work on today. All right, we're going to work on writing the numbers 1, 2, and 3 so that when we count those items, we write it clearly for others to see. All right, so here we go. How many cats do you see on that page, friend? Yes, there's 1. All right, now if you'll notice, I have this fancy number writing box right here. In your assignments, you're going to see these fancy number writing boxes. That just kind of gives you a hint of how big the number should be. And the circle, wherever that is where you should start to write your number. So we see 1 cat, and I'm going to write the number 1 in my number box. Okay? I have a poem for the number 1. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. So here we go. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. Can you say that with me? Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. All right, who can tell me how to write a number 1 beautifully? Good job. Yeah, top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. We did really good on that. I really like that it's nice and neat and straight, and I made sure to start at the very top. Numbers should stand nice and tall so everyone can see them. All right, what about though? Oh, if I add a cat, how many cats do you see now? Good job, there are 2 cats. 2s are a little bit trickier. I have a poem for 2s too. Half a moon, then there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. Okay, so half a moon, then there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. So if you see, I started up at my circle. I did half of a moon. I didn't finish that moon out. And then when I got to the bottom, there was more to do. I had to slide to the right to finish my 2. All right, I'm going to show you it one more time. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. All right, can you say that with me? Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. Friend, can you get your finger and trace in the air how to do a 2 as I say it again and write it again? Get your finger up right in the air like it's touching that blue dot. Go for it. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right. Now that's a 2. Good job, friends. Ooh, another cat. All right, how many cats do I have now? Perfect. I have 3. All right, 3s are really fun to draw. Backward C, and that is how you make a 3. Look at backward C, and that is how you make a 3. If you look right here, here's a C, but he is facing the wrong way. So backward C, that is how you make a 3. Backward C, that is how you make a 3. Can you say that with me? Backward C, that is how you make a 3. All right, can you go ahead and put your finger up at that blue dot again in the air? We're going to make a 3 together as we say our little poem. All right, nice and high. Here we go. Backward C, that is how you make a 3. Excellent job, friends. Now remember, our learning goal said that I can write numbers 0 to 3 to tell how many. That's because when we're counting, we want to make sure that we can show off what we're thinking and what we figured out by writing it down nice and neat. So try to remember some of those poems to help you remember how to draw them. Now, this is what I would like you to do. I want you to practice writing the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Now, I want you to go ahead and fill out your problem set. When you do that, take a picture of the best number that you write today. All right, I'm looking for your neatest one, the one that you're the most proud of. And then send me a quick picture of it, okay? All right, good luck, friends.